What's good, YouTube? Jugs and Lusty back again. I was just at Cars and Coffee. I should have recorded that. It was cold. It was by the water. My hand was freezing. So that wouldn't have went well anyways. But I'm on the way back home. We got 25 minutes. These roads are nice. I wish I was recording earlier. I was going crazy. It's alright though. At least I get to see some good road. I don't like how my camera look a little blurry. We driving and fishing right now. This gas is making me sick. Since I bought the car, like my first week with the car, my first fill up, it was only like $35. And then, you know, based on the mods I did, just me driving the car, I be in Sport Plus. So my miles per gallon just horrible right now, I'm not gonna lie. I just filled up earlier, it was $60. That's a big jump from $35 to $60. And right now I'm at 224. Pretty much I'm 3/4 of a tank right now. I just filled up. I was in Sport Plus. I'm about to do it again just so y'all can see the difference with the car and whatever. About to go on M2. My traction off in them too, though. I gotta be careful. That be slipping. Doing that. I don't know if y'all can hear the intakes. It's windy outside, so if I open the windows, it's gonna mess up the audio. Could probably do my sunroof. Oh, that's better. Got a tunnel. You hear that? This is why my gas be going down, because I be having too much fun. Listen to this thing sneeze. It sneezes way more in Sport Plus. Probably miss an exit. I can't go too crazy though, because I don't got my mount. I need to go get that mount I've been talking about so I could get a better POV. Opening up now. Crazy. There goes traffic. It's crazy. Might as well go back into fishing because traffic about to build up crazy. But yeah, I still got 20 minutes left. Let's see how long I can make this video. liking the quality of it though. The settings not right, but since I'm driving, I couldn't set it up properly. Get about this corner right here. Honda gotta go. HRV, come on. No, we've been moving all day. I'm mad I ain't getting no clips earlier. But like I was saying in the other video, let me know what my next mod should be. I was really aiming for them bags, so if y'all say yes to me bagging the X3, let me know. I'll do it next video after this. The truck been looking a little bit too stock for me. I got everything planned out and ready for it, but I want to see what y'all say first. And then again, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and follow me on IG and TikTok. Let's start getting a little active. I want some feedback though, like tell me what my next mod should be, what y'all want to see. I'm gonna make that a goal, feel me? Do that for the next videos. I know it's my car, but I want to see what y'all want to see. I heard that. I need to get an exhaust too, so I got a couple things I'm looking at. I just don't know which one I want to get first. I want to get the exhaust, the front lip, diffuser, skirts, trunk spoiler. I gotta do all that. And now so I can at least look complete. I do want to get some bags, some wheels. I'm gonna keep these rims for right now. Right now, that's crazy. I gotta get out of 2 mode. Got me going crazy. I'm gonna be a half tank. These roads feel better. Let me find out they fix them. Hop on the jacket right now. It's Sunday, so that's probably why the road's been looking good. It's calm. Oh yeah, we Gucci. Tunnel. That's how to put the window back up. Oh yeah, I forgot to add in, I need to get the tune also. That's another situation. It's a good amount of things I want to do. I got time though. It been what? I got this in November. I got the truck in November. Been what, 3 months so far? Just hit 3 months. But I showed y'all, I did get the car muffler for $100. That was perfect. So that was like a great beginner mod real quick in terms of the sound. So if I do get an exhaust, it's like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the muffler. I doubt I'm gonna put this back on, but I should definitely just save it. Hold on to everything. I know how I get with partner now, but I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this anytime soon. I had that one here for a minute, since like being in high school. Well, I originally wanted an X5, like the 2015, 2018 model. I always wanted that being in high school, X5M, but when I seen them making the new ones, and then the X3 kind of have this, it has like the same body as the X5 nowadays, so this is a little smaller version. Yeah, the motor is different, but it's still fire. And there's a lot of mods I could do to this, and plus the fact that it's a G80, G82, you know, big body, small big body. They trolling. Yeah, there's a lot of factors though, like a lot of benefits. Might be the longest video I got. I might fuck with it. I don't know which way I want to take. Oh yeah, I gotta get something to eat. I ain't eat since I got off work. I don't even know what I want. Might be end of the run though, I'm not gonna lie. But like I said, subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on IG and TikTok. I'll be making some good content soon.